Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. Now this printer doesn't like it if you just lift up the lid of the scanner and will simply give you a closed scanner unit error if you do. So the first thing we need to do is navigate to the correct part of the maintenance menu from the home screen of the printer. If you're not already on a screen that looks like this, simply press the home button to be taken here. Then we scroll along on the touch screen until we get to maintenance. Press to go into maintenance, and we scroll down till we get to the ink cartridge replacement option. Once there, we click next, and now we're safe to open the scanner. Now we're going to be going below the normal scanner and lifting the entire scanner bed. To do this, there is a recess on the left and the right. As you can see, I've got my fingers in there. Just lift it up gently, and it will eventually take its own weight, as you can see. Now the printer will realise the scanner bed has been lifted and move the ink cartridge cradle into the correct position where the plastic's recessed so we can get to the cartridges. And to remove a cartridge, we simply press down on the top of the cartridge to release the clip and take the ink cartridge out. There's actually nothing wrong with this cartridge, so I'm going to pop it straight back in. However, if you've got a fresh cartridge, you're going to want to make sure you've removed any protective packaging, including the pull tab that most compatible and remanufactured and even the Epson originals will have. And you don't need to worry about removing the film on the bottom of the cartridge. This will be pierced as it goes into the machine. Now we just pop that ink cartridge back in. Repeat for any other ink cartridges that need replacing. And then we can just lower that scanner bed again. Kind of controls itself on the way down so it shouldn't slam. And then if we go back to the screen, you'll get a little warning if, like me, you've used compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges. But we simply press next a few times, let the printer know we're happy to use them, and we're done. And I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If you've got anything else to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.